Wave. Good girl. Wave. Wave, Twinkie. Look, treats. Wave. That's good. Give me a high five. Oh, great. Twinkie, can you sit? Sit. Sit. No. Now sit pretty. Oh, that's good. Okay. Oh, what's this? Jump over your stick. Good girl. Jump over. I'm going to make it higher. Go higher. Good girl. What we have here? What's this, Twinkie?
You're just training 6 days a week, 8 hours a day?
Oh, yes. How good. Isn't that
Girl.
the cutest thing?
Twinkie, what is that? Get on that ball. Get on it. Good girl. Get on it. Get on the ball. Get on the ball. Good girl, Twinkie. Oh, that's good. Very good. Oh, you want to hold a card? Okay, go take it. Good girl. Take your card. What a girl. That's very good, Twinkie. Nice. Okay. All right, I'll take it. Thank you. It is. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, this one's a good one. All right, ready? Okay, here we go. Jump through. Jump through. Yes. Come on. A little higher. A little higher. Good girl. Now, can you sit? Let me see you sit. Now stay. Stay. Take it. Take it. Oh, she's brain farting. Take it. Put it here. That's a good girl. She had a brain fart. Good dog. Sit. Stay. Take it. Good girl. Yeah, that's good, honey. What have we here? What is this? What is this? Is that your purse? Oh, she has a purse. Pick it up. Come here and get your purse. Get it.
You ought to borrow that for your watch.
Yes. You want that purse again? Oh, good girl. Good girl. That's your purse.
That is so adorable.
And what else do we have in here? Oh, what's this? What's this, Twinkie? A Twinkie? Is that your favorite thing in the world? Yay, Twinkie! Good girl. Yeah.
That's the first one I've seen
Get your
since
Good
they
girl,
started
honey.
their factory.
Yes. Take a bow. Take a bow. Oh, that's so good girl.
You mean right to hear the clapping?
Yeah, that's her act.